Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up your device on OPPO F29. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you can choose your language and then click next. And here you can select your region, then click next, and then click next again. And now you can set up using another device, or you can just click skip, and here you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can click skip again. Now you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip, and now you have to scroll down and click accept. Then scroll down and click agree, and here you can select your navigation method, or you can just click done. Then click get started. And as you can see, my device is now ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.